Hello everybody, my name is Gabe, and this is episode 10 to Let's Make Rust. In this episode, we're going to be making our advanced enemy AI actually attack us. So as you can see, he's attacking us, then we get a little... Oh, he's kind of like chasing us, and he could kill us. Very low health, there we go. Okay, so the enemy now has the ability to murder us, which is interesting. So yeah, stay tuned and enjoy the video. Alright, so to get started, we're going to go in our scripts folder, in our assets folder, AI and advanced enemy AI, and we're going to open that up. Alright, so once that's opened up, we're going to actually make a bool. So, actually, let me space this out. This is a little weird. Don't really know why this is like that. Okay, whatever. Doesn't really matter. I'm going to make a public boolean, is attacking, is equal to false. Alright, so we're gonna do, no, actually, we'll get to the attacking part later. For now, gonna get the player distance. So, yeah, that's how we're gonna do it. We're gonna get the player distance, and once we're in a certain distance, the enemy is going to stop moving and start its attack sequence, if you will. So, yeah, let's actually also make here a public float attack timer, or attack time, and I guess 1 second for now. So it'll attack, and then while we're in that ray for 1 second, if we are still in that ray while we are in is attacking, then that is when we will get hurt. So, okay. I guess we can now get the player distance. So this is going to be a little strange because we're going to mix things up a little bit. So for the player transform, we actually might remove the player detector. But for now, I guess we can do public transform, and then we'll do player transform distance, like dist. We could do that. And I'll also make another float here called distance to player. Okay, and in start, we're going to do player transform dist is equal to game object, define game object with tag, and player. Dot get component transform. I think instead of doing that, we could actually do MIP. Or we could just do dot transform. Yeah, we'll just do that. Okay. Now up here we're going to do distance to player is equal to transform is equal to a new. What do we do? A new vector 3, I believe. No, it's actually vector 3 dot distance. Yes. Okay. So we're going to do transform dot position. So our position to player transform distance dot position. Okay, so let's see. Get player distance. Okay, so let's see if that works. We're gonna go back into Unity, and we'll go over our enemy AI, and you should see a few variables pop up. Okay, we have attack time and is attacking. These aren't gonna do anything yet. Right now, we're gonna focus on distance to player. So once we get in, we should already see that we are 29.58403 units away from the enemy. So as the enemy moves, obviously our distance is changing, or as we get closer, our distance is also going to be closer. So I'd say once we're around 3, no, maybe a little shorter, I guess. Hold on. Once he stops moving, I guess maybe from here we'll do like a 1.6, something like that. So we'll do another public float. So distance to attack equals 1. We'll do like 1.8. Bring that up there. Okay. So now we'll do if player distance. What is it? Distance to player. If distance to player is less than or equal to our distance to attack, so distance to attack here, I don't know if this is a good spot to put this in. Why is this an update? We should put this in think. Yes. So, here. Okay. Where do we have to think? Is that like when we move? If think timer, yeah, no, that's different. Okay. Okay. We might actually do a different method called like attack think. I might want to do that. Or maybe we'll just leave this here. Doesn't really matter. I want to move this up a line now, so here, let's just put attack think. Okay, so if distance to player is less than or equal to distance to attack, and we're also going to do and is chasing is equal to true. Then we're going to do is attacking is equal to true, and if is attacking is equal to true, then that means we're going to have our attack timer. So I'll also make a private float attack time start, and in start we're going to do, let's see, attack timer start is equal to attack timer. Why do I keep saying timer if it's time? Okay, so let's see, set start or set attack time start to attack time. Okay. I do have attacking and stuff here, but I'm kind of thinking we don't really need a raycast for that if we're just going to be using this distance method. Perhaps we'll do, if we're in the raycast as well. I don't know. We'll kind of comment this out for now. Doesn't matter too much. We'll go back to it though. Okay. So if is attacking is equal to true, or sorry, now is attacking is true. So we'll do over here if is attacking is true, then we're going to do attack time minus or equal to time dot delta time. Now we're going to do if attack time is less than or equal to 0, we are going to call attack. So we're going to have to call a method here, or create a method, private void attack, and then we'll attack things here. Okay. Oh no, we do need our variable, or our, what's it called? Our little patch of code here. Okay, so in here we're gonna do, like, we're gonna set a variable if attack time is less than or equal to 0. So I might move this up. And attack range. Okay, yeah, I guess this is working out, and then I'll take our attack range and bring it kind of down here. But wouldn't that defeat the purpose of the distance to attack? Well, maybe we could kind of do both. Like, if our distance is something, well, because now we're basically completely ridding of the point of the raycast other than to actually detect the player. So I'm thinking we just shouldn't use attack range for now. So we'll use the distance instead. So I'll hide this. Or let's just take that out for now. I know this is probably very confusing, but I make a big mistake of not actually planning out the system before we start. So something I probably should do. Anyways, if attack time is less than or equal to 0, we're going to reset our attack time. Is now equal to attack time start. Okay, and from here we could call attack, I guess. So attack. And down here in that method, we're going to do if player distance, right? We're going to do this with our distance. So if distance to player is less than or equal to 0 is equal to distance to attack. The distance thing actually kind of makes sense. I just wasn't thinking about it. So we're gonna take this physics to raycast, and we're gonna probably bring back the attack range. Yeah, I wasn't thinking about how the system was working. Okay, so now I don't know why this is not. Oh, yes. Okay, we'll take these and make them public. So the ray, I guess I can make public. So I'll do a public ray. Bring that up down here, doesn't really matter. And hit info as well. So I'll do public hit info, or raycast hit info. Okay, very good. And down on update, we'll just take away raycast hit info. Then we don't need this. Okay, interesting. Now let's go back down here. Alright, so down here we're gonna do if hitinfo.collider .collider.tag is equal to player. We're gonna do now we're gonna have to now get the player. So let's get our player script. So scripts player, and we're gonna probably make a method here. So public void attack player, and a float amount health minus equals the amount. Okay, if we already don't have a method like that. Okay, so now we're gonna do player. I'm assuming we have a player script in here. It'd surprise me if we didn't. Okay, and we don't. So I'm gonna make a private player, and in start, right after we get that, we're gonna do player is equal to player transform dist.getComponent player. Yes. Okay, sounds good. Now we're gonna do, actually, instead of actually getting it off of the dist, we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna do game object dot find game object with tag player dot get component player. Okay. Now down here we're gonna do player dot attack. And now we need damage. Do we have a damage? Take damage. Okay, we don't have any actual damage. I guess for now we could do a fixed damage. No, you know what? Let's just get it over with. Let's do a public float minimum damage. Let's say 25, and we're going to do a public float of maximum damage. Let's say 40. Okay. Cool. And now we're going to make something in here. We're going to make a float damage is equal to random.range from the minimum damage to the maximum. Okay. Player.attack player damage. Okay, now this system hopefully will work. Let's try it out. So let's go back into Blender here. Hopefully we're not missing anything. Did I say Blender? I meant Unity. Let's go back into Unity here. And okay, we do have an error. Okay, little typo. Alright, so now if we go back to the enemy, let's see, player transform dist, player transform, random units, this is all fine. Okay, sure. I don't think I reset the, is it the attacking thing though? So, if attack, yeah, see? So we'll do attack, or is attacking. And we're also gonna do, if his attacking is true, we're gonna reset our, we're gonna turn think off. So we'll do, I think there's a is chasing. So we'll turn is chasing is equal to false. And there were things that were setting is chasing as true here. So if is chasing is true, and our and is attacking is false. Equal to false. Now we're gonna do that, and then back up here, we're gonna do let's see, agent dot set destination to transform that position. So set or reset position, either clear destination, okay. And when we're no longer attacking, is false. We're gonna check down here. Is chasing is false. Okay, you know what? Let's just see if this works. This might not work because of the chasing. So let's just go up to the enemy. He's gonna start chasing us like normal, hopefully. If we get into his sight. Okay, and then we get really close. Uh-oh, I broke him. Okay, let's try that again. He stops. He just hit me. He stops again. And he hit me. Okay. Huh. But he no longer chases me. He's going the wrong way. Okay. It's half working. We got half of it down. Let's see. Let's do escape distance. Yeah. Public float escape distance is equal to 10, whatever, or we'll do like 15. So, and in the player detector, we're doing on trigger enter, finding the player. Okay, that's nothing. That's pointless to us. We're gonna do. This is all in the raycast, I believe. So if hit_info.collider.tag is equal to player, if is chasing is false. Oh, wait, this might actually be broken. Hold on, let's test this out. So we're gonna run in front of the enemy. He's gonna stop. We're gonna get out of the ray, come back. Interesting. Okay, hold on. Just give me a minute to figure out what is wrong here. Okay, so over here we're gonna add is attacking is false. I always do that. Is attacking is false. We have to put 2 equal signs. Okay, yeah, so that should work. Escape distance, we'll do that later. We'll do that in another episode where we actually buff up our advanced AI. That's probably when we're going to give him a model. I'm pretty sure the advanced AI is done. I think for now we don't have to worry about him yet. We could add like, yeah, see, he didn't attack us. But then he forgets where we are. That's the one issue. He forgets where we are when he's done attacking. So in attacking, we're going to have to figure out, see, once is attack, we're going to do this method again. We're just going to have to copy this. So I'm going to do check for player, I guess, and then private void check for player in here, and then attack time is 0. We're going to check for the player again. Oh yeah, there we go. See, now he's still chasing us. Although, until we get out of that ray. But we'll fix that. Okay, cool. I think next episode we're just going to be doing a lot of bug fixing. I know there are a few bugs also with the mouse cursor. We're going to fix that and stuff. And yeah, okay, cool. Thank you guys for watching so much. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, leave a like. If you didn't like it, leave a dislike so I know I'm doing something wrong. Leave a comment. I like feedback. Tell me what you guys like want to see. I want to know what the users want. And yeah, okay, cool. Thanks for watching and have a good one.